Colors make the world smell better. 2020 has been the testing year for all of us. Now is the time to indulge in a healthy way. Don't be stressed, as stressed is dessert spelled backwards. We, with our Diwali Business Showers initiative, is trying to bridge the buyers and the sellers through our platform. Hello and welcome to Rabai Rashi Foundation. Mansi Sharma, a home baker, mother, a cabin crew by profession, she's passionate about baking and trust us. Her Diwali treats are amazing. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मानसी.
Thank you so much, Rashi. Firstly, thanks for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here with you and to be chatting with you. Thank you so much.
Mansi, please share about yourself, Sweet Connections, your brand, and the products you bake. Over to you.
So Rashi, if I start with my professional front, like you just mentioned, I'm a cabin crew and I fly for an international airline, and I have been associated with the aviation industry for about a little over than 16 years now. So, that is my professional front. And coming to my personal front, I'm married. I have a 4-year-old beautiful looking son. And I have just started my new venture. It's called Sweet Connections. And I'm really excited to introduce it to the larger community. And yeah.
That's wonderful, Mansi. So what has inspired you to begin with Sweet Connections?
So Rashi, I've been very passionate about baking since I was a child, and I still remember baking those cakes when I was a little girl. But to be honest, this was a retirement plan. But thanks to the lockdown, I got a lot of time at home since I wasn't flying. So I had a lot of time, and I did a lot of experimenting with certain recipes that I had in mind to put on my menu. And again, thanks to the family and friends around, they really encouraged me to start this venture. And then here it is, Sweet Connections.
Mansi, what makes Sweet Connections different from other bakery products or brands?
Rashi, I think as per me, I would say what makes us different is that like I said, I have been a cabin crew for a long time, and traveling, it teaches you a lot. And I always had that itch of of learning. So everywhere I would go visit different places in the world, I would pick up different recipes. I would want to learn different recipes, and then just fine tune them into my own version that I could have on my menu, knowing that this is the perfect recipe that I want, and what that tastes perfect to me. So I think that was one. And second is we offer some gluten-free stuff as well, which not too many people in the market are offering right now. So that's again another thing. And just one more thing that I always add to all my recipes, irrespective, it's a lot and a lot of love. So I think that's what makes us different.
So Mansi, I would like you to share a small, a short memory attached to any of your, goodies you've sold, and you could share some stories with us. Short stories.
So, Rashi, I think the banana cake on my menu, I have been baking that forever now. And, so normally if I would visit anybody, I would just out of love bake a cake and just carry with me. And it actually became a norm. So if I was invited, it was expected that the cake is coming along. So thanks to that banana cake, that I got a lot of encouragement from people, and I finally kind of managed to launch my own brand, and I'm so happy. So I think that is where it all started.
I believe, Mansi, you're based out of Gurgaon.
Yes, we are, but also Rashi, we are catering to the entire Delhi NCR. So yes.
So how are you managing the logistics and the sanitation and the hygiene? Because that is the need of the hour. Tell us something about that.
It is, absolutely. So, since we are home bakers, and home is the best place to bake or to cook, to be honest, So I know how important it is. I have my own family. live with my parents, and I have a 4-year-old son. And in these times, I know how important it is. We don't order food from outside. We've ordered food from, people who are cooking at home. So, it is the need of the hour, like you said, and we're taking utmost care of hygiene standards at home. And also, we are delivering through this service. It's called Pidge, and they have tamper-proof packaging. So, it's totally contactless, and it's just packed from home, and you open it at your home.
So tell us about the different products. You're baking cakes, cookies, I believe are lovely that you're baking, and
Rashi, we have specialty cakes, which are your ganache cake, buttercream, cheese cream frosting, and we've got tea cakes that go along with teas and coffees, and we've got some cupcakes. Plus, we also are offering brownies and cookies. So it is a wide range of variety that we're offering. And for since festivals are coming up, so we also are doing special customized hampers for Diwali, and even for the Shera and Karwa Chauth, we have a lot of egg-free, eggless items on the menu, which goes perfect. So Rashi, we also have sargi cakes, which are eggless and they are homemade, so which can be used for Karwa Chauth gifting. And so if on Karwa Chauth a mother-in-law or a daughter-in-law wants to gift it to each other, that's something that we have on the menu.
and I think you're making some special desserts for Diwali parties, small parties, even though large gatherings are not allowed. So tell us something about that.
Yeah, like I said, Rashi, we are doing customized hampers. So, cookies and brownies and cupcakes all going together. We are doing these special cakes they are called the rosette cakes, and desserts also. And, we've got some fantastic reviews, and they look beautiful also for gifting purposes, and also go so well with your ice creams. And so, Rashi, we are, also into corporate dealing, and we are actually already catering to corporate world, and we've got some special packaging and special prices for the corporate world. So yeah, I mean, we are expanding, and we're looking forward to getting more orders and reaching out to a larger community.
So that's wonderful, and I think I'm already tempted to eat more of your cakes now. Mansi, speaking to you, and this is amazing. So Mansi, tell us about your future plans. What after this? What after Diwali also?
So after Diwali also, Rashi, we are, looking to have a web page wherein, we can again get involved into corporate dealings, and, employee birthdays and special occasions, or, anniversaries and everything. So, we are just kind of getting pepped up for all of that.
We wish you all the luck for your future, Mansi. Mansi, you being in a corporate job, okay, aviation, and now you've got into entrepreneurship. How does it feel? And what advice would you like to give to women who, during their motherhood, who are actually forced to be at home, or probably who want to switch?
Rashi, it feels great to be doing what I am doing. Like I said, I was always, this thing was there on my mind that I wanted to do this, and it's like I'm living my dream. And I knew that at some point in time in my life, I will be doing this. But the only advice I think I would want to give to anybody who wants to start this is just believe in yourself, and just listen to your heart and follow your dreams. And it is so amazing, Rashi, that when I actually started this, I felt that something that you're passionate about, it's the whole universe does support you. So there were people who came out of nowhere to help me and guide me. So these things happen. There will be people who will come and help you. There will be days wherein you will not feel so good, because there is a lot of hard work also, and you need a lot of patience. I won't say that it's very easy. I have had some bad experiences also, when you're just about to pack that cake and just cracks, or it just falls. So I've had those days as well. But by the end of it, when you just know that you are a part of somebody's special occasion in some way, it is so nice. And also, in the end, when people get back to you, message you or call you to thank you for what you've created, and they've liked it, it's totally, totally worth it. So I would say that just listen to your heart and enjoy the process, the journey. It is so important. Don't think about anything else. Just enjoy the journey.
I think that's wonderful, and the confidence and the happiness that is we can see on your face is amazing, and that is the reason I think Sweet Connections has picked up so fast. And let me say this to all my followers: I think she makes amazing thematic cakes. You must try. You have any special theme in your mind, I think Mansi can just develop it for you, bake it for you, and you can just enjoy it. So they say you are what you eat. So eat something sweet from Sweet Connections. To all our viewers and followers, especially based in Gurgaon and Delhi, get in touch with Mansi to order your cake and happiness. I would request all our followers to come forward and support the small business and help her grow.